Welcome back, and today we're going to be making some cinnamon rolls using North Bay Produce Blackberries. We're going to start with our North Bay blackberries. You want to always rinse your blackberries and also wash your hands. For the pastry, we're actually using a refrigerated bread dough. So you just have to lightly dust your surface with some flour, find the seam on the bread dough, and start unrolling. This makes it super easy. You just make a nice rectangle, make it nice and even. And then we're going to add some cinnamon and sugar. I just mix cinnamon and sugar together in a small bowl, and we're going to sprinkle it over the bread dough nice and evenly. Next to the blackberries, we're going to make little rows of blackberries. So make sure you have about 1 inch or so between each row of blackberry, because we're going to be folding and rolling up this dough over the berries, and they can squish out if you're not careful. Start at one end, and you're going to slowly roll up the dough to the top, and you want to make sure that you tuck those little blackberries in with each roll so that they are separated nicely between the layers. When you're done, you want to seal up that edge all the way across so that nothing comes out, and then we're going to cut them into 8 individual pieces. I like to start in the middle. It makes it a lot easier, and then even your cuts out into the 8 cuts. I use a springform pan. I actually put parchment paper in the springform pan so that we don't have any sticking, and then I will place the rolls face up, starting on the outside, ending with one in the center. Make sure you have a preheated oven for 350 degrees. When it's ready, pop in your rolls, and then we're going to go on to the frosting. I like a cream cheese frosting, so I add cream cheese, butter, a little bit of vanilla extract, and powdered sugar. Mix it until it's nice and smooth. Now on to the blackberries. I like to top it with a little bit of fresh blackberries just to give it a little extra punch. When you take out the cinnamon rolls, you're going to release it from the springform pan, and then we're going to frost them while they're still hot. Who doesn't love a gooey cinnamon roll? It's a good bite.